Hello guys, welcome to the new Let's Play of Ratchet Clank 2. So... Oh god, I need to turn down the volume of the TV just a little bit, because it's a bit too high. Okay, it should be good now. And so let's start this. First I'm going to sync the audio really quick. 1, 2, 3. Well, that should be enough. Let me go to the options. A thing that I don't understand is I can't activate subtitles on this game. I can't really even choose it. Vibration, it's on, yeah. But subtitles, I can't even choose it. It's there, but I can't activate them. Sorry about this, guys. New save data.
Welcome back to Behind the Hero. Tonight's heroes are the duo who recently restored peace and order to our galaxy, Ratchet and Clank. So, gentlemen, tell us about your latest incredible adventures.
Well, as you can imagine, we've been pretty busy. After Drek's defeat, there were parades, press conferences, fancy dress balls.
And the wiener roast at Al's.
Oh yeah, that. And then things started to slow down a bit. After that, well...
There was the grand opening at Groovy Lube.
Right. I think that was last week.
6 months ago.
We're still pretty busy, but in a more, domestic sense.
Yesterday, I flushed out my radiator core.
I guess no one needs a hero right now.
Miss Noodlebottom, I found our man. Welcome.
What the...
I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, founder of the Megacorp Company in the Bogon Galaxy.
Bogon?
I'm sorry to incapacitate you, but our entire galaxy is in a very precocious situation. I must humbly request your sustenance on a mission of dire urgitude, a mission of superfluous peril, a mission of unequivocal imperitude.
Did that make any sense?
So, you need me to go on a dangerous mission in another galaxy.
Indubitably! A few days ago, this top-secret biological experiment was stolen from our testing laboratory by this dupliferous criminal mastermind, and I need you to get the experiment back.
We'll do it!
We will?
Frank, I have precipitated your recalcitrance and have made special improvisations for you. We are prepared to give you a job as the head accountant for Megacorp, plus a penthouse suite in lovely Megapolis, and our state-of-the-art robotic masseuse.
Deal.
As for you, Ratchet, I'll need you in superlatory shape. While in transit to the Bogon Galaxy, you will undergo heavy training and conditioning, including martial arts, heavy weaponry, survival skills, stealth, macrame, ballroom dance, and origami. We've used bipolar vector regurgitation to track the thief's location to a flying base in Sector 7. Infiltrate the base and retrieve the experiment.
Sir, ready for launch.
And so we start the first adventure of Ratchet & Clank in the new galaxy of Bogon. Planet Eranos.
Ratchet reporting. I'm on final approach to coordinates 37 Alpha.
Good luck. I'm counting on you.
Affirmative. Beginning radio silence.
And so we start. In this game we begin with 2 weapons.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
We start with the Lancer. I think it's Lancer, yeah, and the Gravity Bomb. Yep. I probably
Press
just
circle
use...
to fire your Lancer.
I'll use the Lancer the most on the start because I want to level it up. This is also the first game that introduces us the experience and level up. And as you guys can see, Gadgetron isn't in this galaxy. The company that basically has Gadgetron's place, it's Megacorp. But you will understand a bit further in the game. This was also the first Ratchet Clank game I ever played. Then I loved the second one, so when I finished it, I went to buy the first one.
Try using the gravity bomb here. Hold triangle and select it with the left analog stick.
No, I don't want to use the gravity bomb. I'm going to use the Lancer.
To reverse the camera controls, go to...
It's fine this way.
I see it's time to update my security forces.
Whoa, no, hey, no, look, I'm just here to fix the transflexor coil.
Nice try. Give my regards to Megacorp. Finish him.
Fail. Cutscene time.
Thugs for less. If it ain't broke, we'll break it.
Right. I'm in the market for some security.
You bring the cash, we'll bring the thrash.
Good. I need your best men to meet me at these coordinates.
Also, this game introduces us to the strafe, one of the best things Ratchet Clank has.
You can aim your Lancer more accurately by holding L1. To reverse the camera controls, go to the options menu.
You already said that. And the first level is done.
Ratchet checking in, sir.
Incredulous. I didn't expect to hear from you again. So soon.
There was a slight problem. The thief escaped with the experiment, and I have no idea where he was headed.
Not to worry. I just received an emission which may lubricate the matter.
Do you have any maps for this quadrant of the galaxy?
You bet, mister! We got galactic maps, 3D maps, fold-outs, cutouts, maps to the stars, and their homes.
Sorry about that. Ah, I forgot my wallet. Could you, take care of this?
Perimeter defenses deactivated.
You forgot your change.